Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am happy to meet you all in a new video. In this video, we are going to see about investing part 1. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Subjects should be made mandatory for all the upcoming generations. This is my perspective. So the first subject will be health and nutrition. Everybody should know what food they should intake and what food they should not intake. At what time they should have their breakfast, dinner and lunch, and what are the beverages they should consume and what are the beverages they should not consume. These kind of diet chart should be known by each and every individual. The second subject should be a proper coding knowledge. For example, I am a person who belong to life science background and I don't know anything about coding. So it is difficult for me to study Python for machine learning and data science. But if a upcoming generation, so when they have a proper coding knowledge, it will help them to make their career as per their passion in coding or in data science or in machine learning or in robotics or in automation, anything, etc. So the third important subject should be financial knowledge. A person might be alumni of IIT or IIM, but he himself doesn't know how to manage his financial conditions. He don't know how to save money. He don't know how to track his expenses. He don't know the difference between assets and liabilities. So this financial knowledge is also mandatory for all the upcoming generations. So when you know a proper detail about health and nutrition, coding knowledge and financial knowledge, then it will help you to survive in this competitive world and a technology driven world. So in this video I am going to explain about financial knowledge, and for that we are going to see about investing. When it comes to investing in our country, people approach the most safest way and we call it as traditional ways for investing. The first instrument which people approach most for investing is fixed deposits. And the second instrument is people try to invest in gold. They buy it in physical format. Most of the people are not aware of buying gold in digital format, but most people keep buying gold jewelries in form of physical. And the third safest instrument which is approached most by our country people is insurance. And the fourth most safest instrument for investing is chit funds. So these are the common instruments which most people approach. And even if you discuss with some elder people, they will ask you to invest in a land or buy any house, buy any construction plots. And these are the ways which most of our Indians approach for investing. Now I am going to show you some stocks which has given a good return for investors if you have invested at the right time as per technical analysis. First, let me show you Tata Motors. So this is the chart of Tata Motors weekly chart. Now this one single pattern is enough for you to select a technically strong company for long-term investment. So Tata Motors weekly chart was in a downtrend for so many years. For so many years, the Tata Motors was in a complete downtrend. It was coming down each and every year. Whenever the market rised, right from 2017 till 2020, whenever the Tata Motors rised, it falled immediately. Whenever the Tata Motors rised, it falled immediately. So every every rise as being a short opportunity in Tata Motors. But when this multi-year trend line has been broken in weekly chart, and this is the area where you should have invested, and for this you no need any knowledge about fundamental analysis. Of course, fundamental analysis is also much necessary when it comes to investing. You need to learn the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, cash flow statement. But as a technical analysis person, I feel the price is already discounted. So this is the unique pattern. This is the right location for a person who should have invested in Tata Motors. And as you all can see, now it is trading around 326 rupees. So within 1 year, the Tata Motors gave a breakout in the month of it gave a good breakout in the month of August, and within a span of 1 year it has rised more than 140%. Okay, so this is the power of technical analysis which plays a key role in long-term investing. Now the second stock which I am going to show you is Tata Power. Tata Power is also the same scenario. Okay, it was in a downtrend for so many years, but when the trend line is broken, at the same time during the month of August 2020, it saw a huge rally. When the breakout happened, the Tata Power was trading around 56 rupees, and now it has jumped almost almost 100%. It has jumped and it is trading around 94 rupees. Okay, almost a 70% rally in Tata Power. The same pattern has occurred in Tata Steel as well. It was in a bearish mode for a long time. Even last year I posted a video telling that Tata Steel is bearish because whenever Tata Steel approached this trend line, it started to fall. Whenever Tata Steel approached this trend line, it started to fall. But when there was a good breakout in Tata Steel in the month of November 2020, there is a huge rally, a tremendous rally. Right from the breakout point till now, it has rallied almost 70%. So this is also a good point to remember for technical perspective of investing. Now the fourth stock and the fifth stock which I have taken is, which are going to be a good investment bet on technical perspective. The first instrument is Sun TV. So Sun TV is also in a continuous downtrend for several years. Right from 2017 it has been in a downtrend. So you can draw this trend line by connecting these highs, or even you can change the trend line to this particular point and you can consider this as a trend line breakout. But this is more convincing than this particular line. Okay, so this is a proper trend line because multiple times the candle has taken resistance at this particular point, and now it has given a good breakout. But the only thing which the Sun TV is facing as a hurdle is it has to break this particular resistance. If this resistance is broken in Sun TV, then we can see a good rally in this particular stock, as we saw earlier in Tata Group. So Sun TV is in my radar and it is still in a bullish mode. So this is a good investment bet if the technical breakout happens. And the last stock which I have already invested is BHEL. Okay, Bharat Heavy Electricals. I was tracking companies like Bell, Sun TV, and ZTV. They were having some good downtrend, but they are ready to give the breakouts. Okay, in that particular list, Bharat Heavy Electricals has given the first breakout. As you can clearly see, Bharat Heavy Electricals was taking resistance multiple times in this particular trend line. And when this trend line was broken exactly at this particular location, Bharat Heavy Electrical started to rally a lot. Okay, and even the hurdle which is faced around this particular area, this is a strong support and it was acting as a strong resistance. When that was broken, now the bell is facing a good rally. Okay, so I have already invested in Bell at 40 rupees and now I am in good profits. Almost I have made a 20% return as of now, and I will continue to hold till this particular resistance because these are supports, and this is a resistance. So my target for Bell will be 58. Okay, and if the 58 is broken, then again I will keep holding for the next target 75 rupee. Okay, so these are the reasons for investing in stocks for generating good returns on technical perspective. Even I can show you ZTV. It was also having a similar kind of pattern. It was also having a good trend line. Multiple resistance has been there in ZEAL exactly at this particular trend line. So I was looking for breakout. Okay, the breakout happened here. But once again, the ZTV is facing some resistance at this particular point. Okay, this resistance is not allowing the price to go further. And another important point to be noted is this trend line in ZEAL has been broken down. Okay, so I am expecting the ZEAL to come down. So I will wait for the right opportunity to accumulate in ZTV. If the candles break 227, 228 levels or even 230 levels, then it will be a good buying opportunity in ZTV. So these are the technical aspects for investing in companies. You might be wondering why I haven't used balance sheets, profit and loss and cash flow statements for investing. Here I have stated only the technical reasons for investing in a particular stock. If you want to know about investing in a fundamental analysis perspective, about how to read a balance sheet, how to track a company, how to read the profit and loss statement, cash flow statement, and how to learn the ratio analysis, you can check out my fundamental analysis course, and I have given the link in the description below. Thank you all my 55.2k subscribers. Keep sharing my YouTube channel and YouTube videos to all your trading circle. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Bye. If you like my teaching style, you can check out my courses at www.scalpers.in. Are you a beginner? A beginner's course is available for you. Are you an existing trader who is struggling to make profits from market? Advanced course is available for you. Are you a full-time job worker and do you want any course for investing? Then fundamental analysis course is available for you. So you can check out those courses, and I have given the link in the description below.